Campfire cooking it, tripod by Solo, and the pot set, 2-pot set. Got some squash, some onions, some peppers, some chicken, and some mushrooms. And open fire. Doesn't get any better than this. Nice view, North Georgia mountains. Big hemlock. I'm going to put the top back on to hold in some moisture and help the chicken cook. And that's what it looks like. It'll be a good meal. Well worth it. Tripod strong, pretty good bit of food in that pot. You can see how you can adjust it. Just take this pin out, put you a different length, either raise it or lower it, and you can adjust it however high you want it, however fast you want it to cook. Got a little hook, there's your lid. Lid's got a little silicone handle, won't burn you. This doesn't get hot. You can see I'm holding it. You can see it's got the numbers on the side so you can measure with. And there's your Solo Campfire, good hot fire. So we're gonna be eating here in just a few minutes. See you later.